How typing and basic computer skills tests ensure competency for frontline workers. Essential workers are employees who fill critical roles in maintaining a functioning society and whose work cannot be done remotely. This category, as defined by the Department of Homeland Security's Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, covers a wide span of professions, from grocery cashiers, healthcare workers, and delivery drivers to manufacturing and sanitation employees. What skills are important for frontline workers? According to the Brookings Institute, about 50 million employees are defined as frontline workers, which amounts to more than one-third of the entire U.S. workforce. Of that number, healthcare employees make up a large proportion of frontline workers, with nurses, personal care aides, and nursing assistants filling over 6 million jobs alone. Healthcare jobs include people who work directly with patients, as well as employees that handle other aspects of healthcare like billing, coding, transcription, and clerical work. To find the right people for these frontline jobs, it is important to find ways to assess candidates before making a hire. With eSkill, that process is easier than ever before. With our library of more than 800 skills tests, you are sure to find the assessment tools you need to identify and hire the best possible candidates. Download the executive report on this page to learn more about the skills tests available for frontline workers in your industry. eSkill offers a wide range of skills assessment tests that are designed to identify candidates with strong basic computer skills. eSkill has a wide variety of testing options available that cover many different situations. For example, we provide specialized content for general typing and medical typing. Using skills tests to identify the best candidates for a position is an excellent way to speed up your search, with most companies shortening their search process by up to 60%. Even better, companies can save up to 70% on the cost of hiring when compared to traditional methods. Download the executive report on this page to learn more about the skills tests available for frontline workers in your industry. eSkill.com. Request a demo.